It's time for supper.
Ooh, what's for supper?
Chicken.
Thanks, Mom.
What's for pudding?
Well,
What's that noise?
I'll go check.
I hope he's all right.
We need to move. Quickly.
Oh no!
What?
Listen carefully, Freddy. Take some chicken and head north, then south. Then you will arrive at a friend of mine. The friend will help you find a way to your Uncle Badger's.
What about you?
Don't worry about us. Now go.
Oh, I'm worried about him.
He knows his way.
I'm tired. I'm going to close my eyes and take a rest. Who's there?
Hi, I'm Trixie.
Can you tell me how to get to Badger's house?
Of course I can.
No, she can't.
Shh. I want to help the poor fox. He's lost.
He's lost.
Can you tell me where to go then?
Well, I don't know, but I know someone who does.
Oh,
Who?
I'll tell you on the way.
where are we?
The riverbank.
What are we doing at the riverbank?
Mr. Todd!
You busted my eardrums.
What's all that racket about?
Well, Mr. Toad, can you tell us where the squirrel is?
Why squirrel?
This fox is trying to get to Badger's to stay while his parents search for another home.
Oh, you don't need Badger for that. You could live with me.
I can't swim.
Ah, good point.
Please tell us, Toad.
My name is Mr. Toad.
Whatever, just tell us.
I'll tell you. You need to cross the river.
How?
On my boat, of course.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily,
I've got a
merrily.
headache.
Where do we go?
Keep going north. Now, good riddance.
Thanks.
Squirrel!
Shh.
You yelled at Mr. Toad.
Well, he... Well... Huh? Was that you?
Not me.
I know it's you.
Me? Why me?
Oh, not you. Squirrel.
What do you want?
You need to tell us where Badger is.
Badger? Oh, he lives at the end of the road.
Which one?
That one.
I'm hungry.
Oh, would you like a nut?
No, thanks.
We should get going.
But the sun is setting.
You could stay with me.
No, we need to get to Badger's.
Well, okay. Ooh, do you want me to make some nut sandwiches for you?
No.
Oh. Good luck.
We have been walking for ages.
We need to keep going, so...
I see something.
What?
A red door and blue windows. It's Badger's!
Who's there?
Your favorite nephew, Freddy Fox?
Ah, come in. Come in from the cold.
Cool.
Who's your new friend here?
Trixie.
My name is Trixie, and I'm a robin, as you see.
So, would you like some hot chocolate?
I'll answer it.
Freddy!
Mom and Dad! I thought you were going to look for a home.
Well, you're in it.
Yay!
I'll just go back
Can
to...
Trixie live here too?
Who's Trixie?
My friend, she helped me get here.
Well, of course.
Yay!
Party, 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 party. I'm going to go out.
Freddie, wait!